To download this software from your Google Chrome, go to www.deeplivecam.com. After page load, scroll down and click on Deepfake Date Download. Click on Deepface Live Read More section. On Deepface Live page, scroll down, you will see 3 options. Click on GitHub option. Scroll down, you can check your system requirements. You can check on installation guideline. On Release section, click on Windows 10 with NVIDIA Downloader. You can download Deepfake Live from these 4 options, depend on your system. Double-click on it and file will start downloading. Extract downloaded file in your computer. Go to Extracted File and click on Deepface Live Loader. Open Deepface Live by click on Loader. It might take few seconds to load. After its load, on first option, turn of file search. In camera source, choose webcam you want to use. Let frame rate auto. In face detector, choose third option. And choose devices as CPU. In face aligner, choose center face. FPS 20. You can either check head or complete body options. On face marker, choose third option and devices as CPU. On face swapper, choose devices as CPU. And you can choose anyone's face from list you want or add more characters. On stream out, chose merged face. Click on Window option, a new window with changed face will pop up. You can change characters and your face will be changed with that person. You can change capacity of face change in options. You can use this to video call someone by using OBS Studio. I will make a video about how to use OBS Studio to video call someone from DeepFace Live. I hope you like this video. If you got any question about it, comment. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care.